What we're doing out here on the river today is electrofishing, which is a non-lethal method of taking a representative sample of the fish community in a body of water. If done properly, it will not kill any fish, and it temporarily immobilizes them, where we can quickly net them and get them into a live well so they can recuperate prior to taking some data. We do a relatively short 200-meter, be 600 feet stretch of the river, sample all available habitat. Once we're done, we quickly gather all the data we need. We ID them, take lengths, weights, count the numbers of fish that we have. And back in the lab after the sampling's done, we'll look at that data, summarize it, look at all the different species that we have and compare it within the river from site to site within a given year. We'll also compare this year's catch with previous year's catch, see how it's changed, whether it's improved or hasn't improved as well as we'd like. And in the future we can do the same survey, same methods, same area, and compare that to today and see, well, have we met our objectives? What is electroshocking? Electroshocking or electrofishing is basically putting an electric current through the water. We have a generator that's set on the tote barge that we're pulling, and that produces the power into a control box that regulates the current and the amps that are sent out. We use a 2,500 watt generator, and the control box will put out at a maximum of 8 amps, but we're typically around 2 to 4 amps. And that sends the current to an anode, the guy at the front that has the wand in the water. That would be the anode, the positive end, where the current's coming out. And then the cathode is the actual barge. There's a metal plate underneath the barge. So that produces a closed circuit of electricity running through the water. And the fish when they get in the middle of that circuit, they're part of it. Some of the species we find in the White River include smallmouth bass, largemouth bass. We also have white crappie and black crappie. They aren't in high abundances, but we do catch them sometimes. There's bluegill, green sunfish, rock bass, some red ear sunfish. Those are the more important game species that we will find. And then there's others more colorful, would be the darters, rainbow darters, orange throat darters, some log perch. In the future, hopefully, the fish community has fully rebounded in the White River, but our purpose here is to help that process move along. We're trying to fix the issues in the past from pollution, and we can also we'll use the data to look into the future to identify potential areas where that improvement needs to happen, where we should focus more of our energy to improve, for example, some of the non-point source pollution. The fish data can point us into that direction on what areas have the best chance of being able to improve right now or within the near future.